I'm staying at a hostel and I thought I would bring some True Earth to try washing my clothes with. It's definitely time. I've done so much walking and I'm ready to give this a try in the hostel washing machines. I got a couple pre-portioned strips and I can confirm these went through TSA no problem. I've got some cash and coins here and then the strips to take down with me. Okay, so that's what I'm taking down with me, and those guys. Found it. The machine was card only, so we're gonna make another trip. All right, so this is what we're working with. Should do fine with the True Earth. So there it is. Throw that in there. Okay, so that's done. I am going to come back and it looks like half an hour. So I'm gonna get something to eat and I'll be back. And then I saw too, they had detergent for sale. I won't say who, but that is expensive. You're probably better off just bringing a couple True Earth strips. And I got another key. And it sounds like my laundry's ready, so let's go. All right, I did leave, so let's see if it's still here. Excellent. Dryer, same thing. I usually like to hang dry, but I don't know that I'm going to have that option. I don't have a lot of space to hang it, so let's see. I hate putting stuff in the dryer, so I'm a little nervous. We're going to do delicates. You know what, we're going to do, I assume delicates is low temp, but let's just do delicates. All right, 60 minutes. Good luck. Cool. Okay, it should be ready. So yeah, let's go check it out. Let's see how it did. Okay, it was really scary putting my clothes in there because I hate the dryer. But we'll see how they turned out. Okay, laundry is done and folded. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that went. And yeah, traveling with the True Earth Eco Strips, it's a game changer.